Have a good day. I have one brother. They had a car accident. Hello everyone, my name is Spencer from Cake English. Today we're going to learn how to use the irregular verb have as a main verb in the simple present and past tense. You'll also learn the difference between have and have got. Have is also an auxiliary verb. We'll learn how to use it as an auxiliary verb in the next video, so make sure you come back to watch that video. Are you ready? Great. Have can be used to talk about possession, events, actions, experiences, and activities. In the simple present tense, have only changes when the subject is he, she, or it. It becomes has. In the simple past tense, have becomes had for all subjects. Have is used to talk about things that someone owns or possesses. It can be used with living or non-living things. That means a noun is going to follow the verb have. Just make sure that you say the number or use articles, a, un, or the. For instance, I have one brother, or I have a brother. These sentences are using the present tense form of have, and they mean the same thing. A means one. Here's one more example. She had the book. This sentence is using the past tense form had. It means she doesn't have the book anymore. Also, the article the is used, which means it's a specific book both the speaker and listener know about. Ready to practice? Look at the keywords to make a sentence. Remember that have becomes had in the past tense. In the present tense, it becomes has when the subject is third person singular. He. Good, it's the present tense and the subject is third person singular. He has 2 cups of juice. We. Right, it's past tense, so we use had. We had a big house. You. You have many friends. Have is also used to talk about small and large events like days or parts of a day, breaks, or parties. For instance, have a good day. This is a nice ending greeting you can say to someone. It means you hope they spend their day well. It is also used to talk about experiences like vacations or accidents. For example, they had a car accident. This is a simple past tense sentence that means they were involved in a car accident. Let's practice using have to talk about events or experiences. Fill in the blank with have or has if it's present tense and had if it's past tense. A difficult day. I had a difficult day. Let's a party with all our friends. Great. Let's have a party with all our friends. They, a nice trip in Europe. They had a nice trip in Europe. The class, a break at 2 p.m. Right, the class has a break at 2 p.m. Last winter, a snowboarding accident and broke my arm. Perfect. Last winter, I had a snowboarding accident and broke my arm. Have is also used to talk about actions like eating food or sleeping. For instance, we had a delicious lunch. This means we ate some good food for lunch. Finally, it's used to talk about activities like having a conversation or argument or having hygiene routines. For example, I like to have a warm shower in the morning. Now let's try using have to talk about actions or activities. Fill in the blanks with the present tense have or has or the past tense had. She, a massage today. Great, she had a massage today. I, a nap in the afternoon. I have a nap in the afternoon. They, an argument again. Right. They had an argument again. He, a long bath after work every day. He has a long bath after work every day. Let's dinner together sometime. Perfect. Let's have dinner together sometime. Now that you know how to use have, you might be wondering what the difference is between have got, and got. Got is the past tense form of get, which we learned before. It means to receive something, so it's different from have and have got. Have and have got have the same meaning, except have got is more informal. We mostly use have got when we talk about possession, relationships, characteristics, and illnesses. For instance, he has got a girlfriend. It's natural to make a contraction with the subject and have when we use have got. For have, we add an apostrophe and VE to the subject. For instance, I have got becomes I've got. For has, we add an apostrophe and S to the subject. She has got becomes she's got. Let's practice changing these more formal sentences with have to more casual sentences with have got. Remember that making a contraction with the subject and have is most natural. She has an excellent singing voice. Right. She has got an excellent singing voice. She's got an excellent singing voice. You have a stomach ache. You have got a stomach ache. You've got a stomach ache. They have plenty of desks and chairs. Excellent. They have got plenty of desks and chairs. They've got plenty of desks and chairs. Now you know how to use have as a main verb in the simple past and present tense. You did great. I'll see you in the next video in which we'll learn how to use have as an auxiliary verb. Did you enjoy today's lecture? Wait, don't just leave yet. If you go to the Cake app below the video, you'll see our A-Level Speaking Challenge feature. It'll help you practice speaking key sentences from the lecture, and you can also get your pronunciation checked. So check it out and try until you get an A to improve your speaking skills. So download Cake today, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye!